Third Sunday in July. National Ice Cream Day. Ice cream is without a doubt the perfect dessert ever devised by man. It's rich and creamy, full of the flavors of summer while being made from the cold like the winter, and is perfect at any time of the year. Ice cream can be used to make sandwiches or entire cakes, or just eaten as a scoop all on its own. National Ice Cream Day celebrates this delicious treat and all the varieties it comes in. Thanks to President Reagan, we celebrate National Ice Cream Day every third Sunday in July, meaning July 17th this year. Reagan wanted to commemorate a treat enjoyed by over 90% of the US population. In 1984, he decreed a day for ice cream, and his proclamation actually glorified the dairy industry in America. In fact, Americans still lead the world when it comes to eating this frozen delight, 23 gallons a year to be precise. Reagan also proclaimed July as National Ice Cream Month, describing ice cream as a nutritious and wholesome food enjoyed by over 90% of the people in the United States since then. The holiday has sparked worldwide cravings and is traditionally celebrated year after year. Standing in the frozen food aisle trying desperately to make a choice? Or brainstorming how to celebrate this fabulous day? Well, look no further. Inspiration has arrived. How to celebrate National Ice Cream Day? Well, first of all, get yourself out there and enjoy a heaping scoop of ice cream. Then maybe an ice cream sandwich, and then a delicious milkshake. Okay, are you sugared up enough yet? We didn't think so. The next thing you have to do is wolf down a delicious banana split and share an ice cream cake with your closest friends. Or just keep it all to yourself, we won't tell. National Ice Cream Day is your chance to really indulge without any guilt or shame, and while you're at it, try coming up with your own flavors. There are lots of tasty and incredible ice cream recipes online, so why not try your hand at creating your own ice cream? You may even decide to simply throw out the rulebook and add all of the flavors you love the most to see what the outcome is. Let us know how you get on. We always love trying new ice cream flavors. Or, why not try your hand at creating one of the traditional ice cream treats, such as the Persian Bastani Sunnati dessert? You will definitely wow all of your friends if you post a picture of this on Instagram. Thank you for watching.